Hey techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So techies, today we are going to discuss Java features. In last tutorial we discussed about Java history and Java overview. Okay, so let's start. But before moving to next step, please like, share and subscribe the channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview questions. So let's start guys. First one. Java was, as we know, already we discussed about Java, why Java is developed, what exactly the purpose of Java. So initially Java is developed for embedded system. Okay, embedded system like set-top box and television, because that time electronic gadgets are limited. So Java is used in these type of gadgets. But over the time, it evolved into powerful language widely used to build internet-based application, enterprise-grade application. Java is platform independent. We already discussed Java is platform independent language, and Java is kind of write once, run anywhere. We already discussed about this one. Okay, and Java is really secure and constantly evolving with the each version. In the last tutorial we already discussed about the how many versions till date. Okay, so come on the next slide. So guys, these are the application where Java is mostly used. If we talk about the enterprise application in the banking sector, Java is used. Famous bank, Citibank, HDFC, Goldsman, ERP system, SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, government portal, e-governance. If we talk about the web applications, famous web application, Amazon is using Java as a core language. LinkedIn, eBay, framework. The current framework is Spring and Hibernate, Strut. These are the current framework used in the web application. If we talk about Android mobile applications, then WhatsApp, famous mobile application WhatsApp, Instagram, Spotify. But platform is Android SDK, which is completely Java based. Android SDK is completely Java based. Desktop GUI applications. If we talk about Eclipse is a editor. NetBeans, IntelliJ. In the upcoming video, for the practical perspective, we can use Eclipse. Okay, tools, Think Free, Office, JDownloader, also used for the data mining as well as Java is used in the data mining applications. Java is used in the data mining applications like data mining, image Veka. Okay, embedded for the IoT system like set-top box, SIM card, smart card, Java ME edition, micro edition, cloud and big data technology, Hadoop, Kafka, Storm, Spark. These are the cloud and big data technology where it cloud SDK used. In this cloud SDK is used AWS, GCP, Java SDK. If we talk about the famous games, Minecraft, sorry, Run Space, trading also used in a trading application as well, financial application, Fix Engine, Bloomberg. So everywhere is Java is used, guys. So Java is really one of the important language to develop your application, as well as used. You can use Java in your automation. In the automation, in the as that you have multiple choices. You can also use Java, Python. It's completely depends on you. You can also use C sharp. Don't mind. But our main focus is with the Java, because Java wide variety of APIs, wide variety of APIs, which helps which helps to automate web and mobile application, mobile application. Because in this series we also discuss about from scratch to big professional level. Every concept we can discuss here. We will discuss here. Okay. So stay tuned with this series. Okay, and if we talk about the features, Java programming language, object oriented. Java is object oriented. We already discussed about that. Okay, but Java is not fully object oriented. In upcoming video, we will discuss about this one, why Java is not fully object oriented. Also, the reason is that because it uses primitive types, that's why it's not fully object oriented. Okay, so no need every time we have to create a object. Means we have no need to create the object of a every time to call any class or any create a reference. It is based on a real one entity like classes and object and support. So if we discuss about the object oriented feature, then polymorphism, to do a task in multiple ways, inheritance, to access the property of one class into another class, encapsulation, binding data into a single unit, abstraction, hiding details. Classes and objects, classes are just a blueprint, it doesn't take the space, it's a blueprint, doesn't take space in the memory. Object, a real-time entity, real-time entity. In upcoming video, we also discuss about polymorphism inheritance in detail. But for the timing, we are just discussing as overview polymorphism to do a task in multiple ways. Suppose if you want to sell an object A, you have some item, then how you can convince the customer? Firstly, you have to be you can share all the feature of this A with customer. But if still he doesn't convince, then what you can do, you can provide demo how this product is working, what are the benefits. Okay, but still he is not convinced, then you can provide discount. After that he will be convinced, okay, will purchase your item. So the guys here, main motive is polymorphism means to do a task in multiple ways. So the main motive is you want to sell some item. To approach this target, you can use three mechanism, is called polymorphism. Here you can do same task with the three different approaches, by discussing, by demo, or by discount. Inheritance, to access the property of one class into another class. Inheritance means access the property of one class into another class. Means A and B. A is father, B is mother. Okay, and C is child. So C have some property from father and some property from mother, like his attitude, his body language. Also, C captures some uh, properties from his grandfather for forefather from forefathers. So it's called inheritance. To access the one property, to access the property of one class into another class is called inheritance. Encapsulation, binding data into single unit. Binding data into single unit means, suppose we have a capsule, medicine. We have a capsule. I hope everyone know about the capsule. Okay. So if you open the capsule, there are some kind of salt. Some kind of salt. So this salt is a composition of chemical. There is no single composition. There are multiple compositions. So all the compositions bind into a single unit is called encapsulation, where we bind data into a single unit. Okay, is called encapsulation. Suppose doctor suggested you to take 10 medicine. 10 medicine. Doctor A. Doctor A suggests you to take 10 medicine. But once you go with the doctor 2, he suggested you can take one capsule D. Why? So this capsule is a combination of all 10 medicine. All salts are combined here. So it's called encapsulation. Abstraction. Abstraction means hiding data into hiding data. Suppose internal function we can hide. Okay, internal function we can hide is called abstraction. Suppose, uh, for example, we have mobile A. This is a mobile. Okay, mobile, and this one is a mobile B. Mobile B. Okay, you can dial your friend number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, whatever number you have to dial, and directly ring to this mobile number B, on the mobile B. So you know how this mechanism is working, how this mechanism is working internally? You don't know. You just talk with B without knowing internal communication way is called abstraction. Okay, this is a really important topic in the Java where we want to achieve the security. Next one, classes and object. Class is a blueprint, nothing, just a naming convention. Class is a just a naming convention, nothing else. Okay, and object is a real-time entity. Real-time entity means chair. Chair is a real-time entity which take place, which, let me write here, which take place, which take place is called object. Is a real-time entity. Instances and method. Instances and method means to do a task in specific way. How you can achieve a task. Suppose you want answer 4. You want answer 4. Okay. So how you can achieve 4? So there are multiple ways. There are multiple ways you can do. 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4. And method you can use addition. You can use addition method. Suppose you want to 4 again. Then what mechanism you can 10 minus 6. Method you can use subtraction. Okay. 2 plus 2 into 2 4. Method is multiplication. Also in the division we can use. These are called methods. Messages, message passing means communication, how your communication is going on. Okay, message passing from one to another, from one to another. Message pass means in the mobile application you want to pass a message. That time the internal structure how this will work is called message passing. Okay, which makes Java modular, flexible, and easier to maintain and scalable. That's why we can choose Java. Okay, Java is platform independent. Already we discussed. Java follow the write once and run anywhere. The secure code is compiled into bytecode which run on any device with JVM. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss about JVM, JRE, JDK, JIT, bytecode, interpreter. What are these? All things. Okay. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss because these are very important. These are the basic. Simple. Java is really simple to learn. And there is no pointer, multiple inheritance, operator overloading, which are available in the C. This one is a big challenge with the C. In upcoming in the next class, we discuss about difference between with the multiple languages which are available in the market. Why we choose Java in this market? We'll discuss about Java versus Python, Java versus C, Java versus C++, Java versus C Sharp, and other language. Okay. Secure. Java is secure. Java is designed with security in mind. No direct memory access. As we studied in the last class, in the history class, the initially green tree is developed. The extension name is GT. Why this one is rejected? Because memory consumption. There is a memory consumption is more, but in the Java there is memory consumption is very less. Bytecode verification, built-in security API and framework, public key encryption for the authentication, exception handling to manage error securely, architecture neutral. Java could run on any hardware with the JVM. You need only JVM. You need only JVM. Okay. And a sample class is dot class. You can create a class and uh, suppose you build any application on the window machine, on a window machine. Okay, can you run it on the Mac machine? Can you run it on the Linux? Yes, definitely you can run on, but you need JVM, Java Virtual Machine. You need JVM, and this class file you can run directly here. You return, you write this class in the window operating system, but you can run in the Mac and Linux as well. Ideal for distributed computer and enterprise applications. Java is portable. Java platform independent bytecode. No system specific feature. Already discussed. Already we discussed about this. You can write on the window, but run on Mac and Linux system. Java compiler is written in the American National Standard Institute with the clean portability boundaries. Robust Java emphasizes error-free code and strong memory management. Compile time and runtime error checking, automatic garbage collection, no memory leaks or a pointer related issues, built-in exceptions and error handling. Okay. Multi-thread Java support multi-threading allow multiple thread to run concurrently. Efficient CPU utilization, embedded interactive and responsive application thread can perform tasks like handling network access and computation in the parallel. Suppose we have an e-commerce application. We have an e-commerce application like Amazon. Amazon we have. And here is a sale for the any specific mobile. So the sale is out. So that time what happen? Not you are a single user, you want to buy this one. There are multiple user who want to buy this one. So the same time all the user request to buy this device, how this will be executed? So that time multi-threading and CPU utilization will be used. In upcoming video we also discuss about how this we can achieve. Okay, because thread can perform tasks like file handling, network access and computation in the parallel, because all the request is processed under the file handling. There are some specific commands, there are some specific API that will be handle these all commands. This one is not directly executed. We require some file handling, some request handling, network access and computation. Okay. Interpreted Java use both compilation and interpretation. Code is compiled to bytecode by javac. Java is compiled to bytecode by javac. Bytecode is interpreted by JVM. Bytecode is interpreted by the JVM and converted to machine code using JIT just in time. In upcoming video we definitely discuss about this one, because these are really important topic how this will be executed. Okay. High performance Java is really high performance using the JIT compilation just in time. Optimized technique like method inlining, dead code elimination, constant folding, runtime proofing and caching. Java is distributed. Java was designed for the distributed environment of the internet. And distributed environment means you have an application Amazon. You can run this one on the Windows machine, Mac machine, and the Linux machine, and the browser you can use. In the Windows, suppose you are using Chrome browser. In the Mac, you are using Firefox, but in here you are using Firefox. It is a distributed. On every pointer, it will be execute. Okay, and support networking via package like Java.net. We definitely uh, learn about this one, because Java.net is also also used in once we are going with the how to find links available on the web page. In that case java.net is used. Okay. Enable sharing of the object across network. Okay. Java is dynamic. Java is highly dynamic and adaptable. Load classes at runtime using reflections, support dynamic linking of the new class library methods and objects, program carry metadata for runtime verification and decision making. Okay. So guys, these are the features of the Java. Okay. So I hope you learn today, you learn about feature of the Java and you enjoy this video, and you get more knowledge about what are the object oriented features. available in Java. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. We'll see you in the next class. Take care. Goodbye.